Greetings to OFLC here, just a status update on the OpenFusion LED Controller project. This is the current web interface which runs on a Raspberry Pi, which is optional. You've got the main on-off, you've got the LED mode, whichever LEDs you want to drive. You can drive dumb, RGB, 50/50 LEDs, or you can drive smart, NeoPixel style 50/50 LEDs. Global speed control for some of the effects that are affected by speed. How quick you want them to change. These LED functions you can see are supported on either LED type, so auto LDR that adjusts the lighting to background ambient room brightness using a light dependent resistor, and then once it gets below a certain value it goes into night light mode. These are all kind of self-explanatory, jumps between 3 different colours, jumps between 7 different colours, fades between 3 different colours. There's a self-explanatory there. Pass through allows you to have another controller hooked into this one, and if you want to pass it through you can. So you can have some other controller, or just some potentiometers and stuff like that if you want hardware controls. Custom color, you can set a custom color here with a color picker, sort of thing like that. Down here, these ones are only supported by the smart ones because they're specific to the nature of those, the target individual LEDs. So you got random droplet and night rider. So I'll just put it on smart LED mode, put it on random droplet, just turn that on. Hopefully it's not too fast. Just set the speed there. Right, I'll show you that now. So these are the smart LEDs. I've only got a few here, but I've got more coming to experiment with. That's the optional Raspberry Pi, that's a 0W, so Wi-Fi. So you just basically connect this, give power to the Pi, connect that over USB to the Arduino Nano. So if you want, you can just have the Arduino Nano and plug that into your PC over USB and control it on USB serial that way. And I've got a desktop program that I'm working on that I'll just control it that way. So you can have this as a PC lighting controller or something, or drive it from some other IoT stuff. There's a light dependent resistor there for the auto LDR mode. There's a MOSFETs if you want to run the 12 volt dumb LED strips, because this is a logic level of 5. Alright, so there's that. I'll just demonstrate the auto LDR mode a minute. So if I turn off the smart ones a minute, so I'm trying to do this one-handed. Turn off the smart ones, I'll put on the dumb LED mode, auto LDR, turn them on. So I'll just, as you can see up here, if I turn off the lights, it should dim down. Hang on a sec. Why isn't that turning off? Right, sorry. Try that again. Auto LDR mode. So there they are, and if I turn the background lights off, these will adjust to the ambient lighting in the room, and then once it hits a certain level it goes to a nice night light mode. You can see a little flickering on camera there. That's because I think I've got power supply noise. It's not the best in the moment on the power supply noise, but that's unrelated to my code. Although I may add some more smoothing in to kind of help compensate for that if possible. And then we just come up to the background level, so that's one of my favourite functions. I'll just preview a few others. So I'll show you the custom colour mode. You can stick it on custom colour mode. It's important you select custom colour mode first. Now we're in custom colour mode, we can choose a custom colour. So let's do a nice, I don't know, purple. That should show up quite well. And then you set the colour. Where's my mouse pointer? Set the colour there. Right, if I turn the lights off. Excellent, we got a lovely bright purple. And that web interface, as I say, it's optional, but that runs on the Raspberry Pi if you want the web server. And that kind of acts as a web API sort of thing as well. You can fire GET request to it and set the lights different colours. And the web server works well on a phone. It works on Android phones with that colour picker. Although I had the colour picker doesn't work too well on Apple devices for some reason, or Safari anyway. It's probably a Safari thing. chroma all works fine. I'll show you one more function, probably I'll show you the fading, so I'll just set the speed, global speed control, so I'll make it quite fast, and I'll set it on fade mode. So these will now just begin fading between different colours. All the way around. So these are just dumb ones, and I've only got a small strip of smart LEDs, but I'll have about another 5 meters of smart LEDs coming soon to show more cool effects. I'll probably add a VU meter, sort of sound reactive modes into it. But currently the only two smart functions that are specific to smart is a random droplet and the Night Rider sort of thing, self-explanatory. So it's just been an update on this project at the moment, just so I get this in a video, and I'll still continue working on this. So just a status update of the current project. So thanks for watching. It's 2E0 PGS clear.